Hello, everybody. So, these two small African children came up to me and said that they want food. And I said, well, I can't give you any food. I need it to grow my muscle. And they said, how? And then I said, oh, I can make you cornhole. Because it has corn in the name and it's a food. So they said, and yeah, so here we are. I'm making some cornhole. Oh yeah, welcome back to my outdoor game making series. So unlike last time, I decided to prepare to cut some big pieces of OSB. So I'm making this table saw fence. And man, did I make it good, because cutting the OSB with this thing was wonderful. Like no pinching, no moving, just beautiful. Okay, now I'm scraping a line to cut with the jigsaw, because I'm making two cornholes, because there were two African children. And now I'm milling up some boards for the sides of the cornhole boards. So I was cutting the boards, minding my own business, and this piece of shit table saw fence decided to move. And it fucked up my entire cut. But I'm a fixer, so I just grabbed some electrical tape and put it on the thingy that clamps the fence to the table saw. And there, adjust it and we're back in business. Okay, now it's time to cut the boards to length. Usually square up the best side of the board, and the shitty side I leave for the majority of cutting off. So now I'm cutting some rabbet joints so that the front of the cornhole boards looks pretty. But I fucked up, and on this first one I made it on the wrong side. So and now I got another board and I'm gonna do it the right way 4 times. Okay, so here's a video of me screwing up the cornhole board as fast as a monkey. I don't know what that means, but I'm as fast as a monkey, what can I say? I think it's really fucked up that those African children couldn't even help me to make these cornhole boards. I think I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, I'm not giving them to the African children. Okay, so now I'm cutting the cornhole on the cornhole board. So I was routing the bottom with the router, and the fucking bearing decided to blow up on me, so that was interesting. I ended up putting a bigger round over on the end, and it looked a much better. So happy little accident. Um, yeah. So now I'm screwing on the feet with the cornhole. It needs to be 30 centimeters off the ground. Okay, now to finish it, I'm using some lacquer and some cheap ass rollers. These rollers were 60 cents, and yeah, the fuckers just fell apart. Would have been better off buying an actually good roller. But anyway, this is how it looks finished. I didn't have any corn bags, so I just filled a Ziploc bag with dirt and taped that bitch shut. Oh yeah, I hadn't ever realized that cornhole was this fun. The African children are definitely not getting this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to press the like button so that smelly man in white vans would give me candy. I think the last guy scammed me. I haven't seen him since. I think he got arrested, but I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.